In this video, I'll show you how to edit text in Adobe Acrobat. First, open Adobe Acrobat on your computer and open the PDF file you want to edit. Click File, then Open, and select the document from your device. Once your PDF is open, go to All Tools and choose Edit a PDF. In some versions of Acrobat, this option may appear as Edit PDF in the Tools panel. This is the main tool used to change existing text, add new text, adjust formatting, and edit images inside a PDF. After you open the Edit PDF tool, Adobe Acrobat will analyze the document. You should see boxes appear around the editable text and image areas on the page. Now click the text you want to change. A text box should appear around that section. Click inside the box, place your cursor where you want to make the edit, and start typing. You can correct spelling mistakes, replace words, remove sentences, or add new information. Use your keyboard the same way you would in a normal document editor. If you want to format the text, highlight the words you want to adjust, then use the formatting options in the toolbar. You can change the font size, text color, spacing, alignment, and other style settings. Try to match the existing text style if you want the edit to blend in with the rest of the document. For example, use the same font size and color as the surrounding text so the page looks clean and professional. If the text box becomes too small, click and drag the handles around it to resize the box. If the text is not in the right position, click the edge of the box and drag it to a better place. Sometimes you may not be able to edit the text right away. This usually happens when the PDF is scanned or image-based. In that case, the text is part of a picture instead of real editable text. To fix this, go to All Tools and choose Scan and OCR. Run text recognition on the PDF. After Acrobat recognizes the text, go back to Edit a PDF and try editing again. Also remember that some PDFs are protected. If the file has editing restrictions, Acrobat may ask for a password, or the editing tools may be unavailable. In that case, you need permission from the document owner. When you finish editing, review the full page carefully. Make sure the text fits properly, nothing overlaps, and the formatting still looks correct. Finally, save your PDF. Click File, then Save to update the same document, or choose Save, as if you want to create a new edited copy and keep the original unchanged. Hope the tutorial was helpful, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.